subscribers. So today I am doing a how to slay makeup tutorial, school makeup tutorial, how to slay school makeup tutorial. I might call this how to slay your first day makeup tutorial. But before you click off this video, please subscribe. Click that like button. That'll help me out a lot. Subscribe. Share this video out to your friends and everything. And go follow my beauty Instagram at _Hailey'sBeauty_. And don't forget to turn on that notification bell so you can get notified every time I post a video here on YouTube. And yeah, so like I said, doing the first day, how to slay first day. Very neutral look. This wing was just not working with me. Again, you don't have to wear all this to school. Like I never did. But I know people like to wear foundation, and usually for school I did my eyes, and then that's it when I went to public school. But now I'll be going to college and doing the same thing. But I know a lot of people wear foundation nowadays. Foundation is a thing, so I did add the foundation and bronzer. Didn't do any contouring. So if you don't wear foundation, you don't have to put on foundation. I'm not saying you have to wear all this makeup to school. Y'all are beautiful naturally. But I wanted to do a full-on look just in case people like to wear foundation and stuff. I wanted to show bronzer, how to do your bronzer and stuff. But of course you don't have to wear this much makeup. I didn't wear this much makeup to school. I only wear my eyeshadow, my eyeliner, my mascara, and concealer, and I was out the door. Sometimes not even. So first I am taking Bel Air and putting that in my crease for a transition shade. You guys know the drill. Always using a transition shade. You know how I do. Again, to just prep for the darker shades that we're using and give the look a more pop. I'm trying to get better at editing. Sorry that you guys still see me perfecting so much. I try to catch all the perfecting I can, but I noticed that there's some spots. But I already added the music in here, so that'd mess up the music, and the music was already messed up because towards the end I picked a couple songs to do for the end and they're all just not playing, so there won't be any music at the end. So I'm okay, I'm not gonna mess with the music anymore, so we're just gonna have to deal with not that much editing and just be better next time. I mean, I got a chunk of it, a lot of the chunk of me perfecting it done, but I still see some spots right here I could have edited it out because you guys don't need to see it twice. But and you'll see me keep on perfecting it, but I'm getting better at finding the places where I need to cut out because it's just me perfecting it and being my perfectionist self and repeating the same step over. But I've gotten a lot better over time with me perfecting the editing. So now I'm taking Note to Self and I Owe You and also putting that in my crease to deepen it up. I'm kind of making a halo effect, but then towards the end I didn't really like how it looked, so I put my lid color all over and not make it a halo eye. But hey, you can do whatever you want. It's your eyes, it's your look. You could change this however you want. I honestly don't recommend wearing this much to school, but I figured I'd do a full face just so people could have options and adjust it to what they want to do. I'm not saying you have to wear foundation because quite frankly I didn't wear foundation in high school, and I'm definitely not going to be putting it on every day. I used to put it on every once in a while when I felt like being an inner makeup artist, but yeah, I'm not gonna be wearing it every day to college either. So yeah, and I'm just taking those two shades again, blending, kind of creating a halo effect, but later on I decided I didn't want to do a halo effect. Then I'm doing the same thing, tried to edit some of it out because it's me just perfecting and doing the same thing over and over. So sorry for my bad editing skills, but I've gotten a lot better. Hopefully soon I could trust myself to do Final Cut Pro. I don't know, it's confusing me. It's really confusing me and I don't know how to work it. I might need somebody to teach me how to use it because I honestly don't know how to use Final Cut Pro. I tried. So yeah. And then I'm just, again, creating a halo effect with those two. I can feel your energy pulsating down my spine. Oh, oh. I am not the enemy. No need to run and hide. No, no. Though I figured maybe using my finger would help. I don't know. Then I'm taking top notch. I forgot to show this, and I'm also putting that in my crease area to darken up the look because we do like a darker look. Am I right? I like making those eyes pop. But sorry, my mirror's covering. I'm really bad at covering the meal, but whenever I'm I feel like my eyesight's getting worse and like it's getting harder for me to see. It didn't help that this mirror was dirty, so yeah. And then I'm just doing the same thing on the other eye. Of course, I should have edited the other eye out because you guys don't need to see me do both eyes. But hey, you never know. Somebody might need both eyes to do. And then there's me staring at seeing if it's perfect. I hate that I do that. Like I sit there for 10 minutes, and then I'm taking my MAC 224 brush and just kind of blending this all together and making it one. And then I also add whatchamacallit, what's this called, Cloud 9 in a little bit. Did I add it already? I can't tell because I didn't hold it up. This is why I hold things up so I know when I'm switching colors. I must have already added it. I don't know, maybe let's check next clip. Blending. Yeah, okay, so I already added Cloud 9, so I know what I did. I mixed that, whatever that shade was, Top Notch and Cloud 9, and put it in my crease. And then I took, for my lid color, I mixed, you know the drill, and Take It Slow, and also put that in my lid. And that's where I decided I didn't like a halo eye, so I did just a regular lid color, just all over the lid. So yeah. Then I take the L'Oreal Magic Lumi Light Infusing Primer and put that on my face. I sped it up a little bit because you guys know how to do that. I mean, I'm pretty sure you guys know how to do foundation and primer. But, yeah, as you notice, I try to do, like, as much affordable products as I could. Like, ColourPop eyeshadows are, like, $2 or $5 or something like that. And, then I try to use as much drugstore and affordable products as I can. Getting towards the face stuff, it got more to the pricey stuff because I don't like to have a whole lot of drugstore stuff. But I just took now my Maybelline Super Stay Full Coverage Complete 24-Hour Foundation, and I'm putting that all over my face. Again, I sped it a little bit because you guys already know what to do and how to put on foundation and concealer and primer and stuff. But yeah, I tried my best keeping this very affordable for you guys, so I try to use as much drugstore products as I could, or at least things that are affordable for this look, because I know not everybody can like afford high-end, or some people can and they just don't want to spend the money, which I understand. So yeah, I try to do affordable things for you. And even with the expensive stuff that I used, I tried. Oh yeah, and now I take my MAC Pro Longwear Concealer and I'm concealing under my eyes, on my chin a little bit, on my nose a little bit, and on my forehead. But like I was saying, even with the expensive products I did use, I tried to pick like ones I know that are cheaper compared to the cheapest high-end out of my whole collection. I tried to pick like the cheapest things I could find on my collection because I really wanted to make this kind of affordable for you guys. So yeah, I'm just blending under my concealer on my under eye. You guys see me do this a million times, so that's why it's sped up, but don't worry, it's going to slow down once I get to the other stuff, but you don't need to see like me taking 20 minutes to blend out concealer and foundation and stuff. And then I'm putting on my nose, my forehead, and my chin. Then I am just putting some Kat Von D powder on under my eyes to give it a highlighted look. Yeah, but obviously any powder works. This is my only like illuminating powder I have besides my Laura Mercier. But I know that's pretty pricey, so I'd rather show you a palette. But now I'm taking my MAC Matte Bronze Powder and I'm just putting that on my cheeks. Not trying to be too neat with it. I'm not trying to go for a contoured look because you are going to school. And honestly, you could skip this step if you're not as pale as me, but if you're pale like I am and don't ever get tan, then even though I spend a lot of time outside, like I just don't get tan, then you could use bronzer to make yourself look more bronze. And if you're wearing a light, I know my foundation is too light for my body, so that's another reason why I'm using bronzer, so I can even it out and make it not look as light on me. And I'm just putting it on my face, you know, doing the 3 shape type thing, the 3 or the E, whatever you want to call it. Some people call it the E, some people call it the 3. But you guys know how to do this too. But I should have sped this up, but I don't know, in case somebody wants to know how to bronze, I just put it, I don't know. I don't want to speed it up too much and have like a boring speed up tutorial. But now I'm taking my MAC Fairly Precious blush and I'm putting that on my cheeks. Sorry that I didn't use like a cheaper alternative. I just really like this blush because it's just like the perfect neutral blush and it just gives you like this most beautiful glow ever. I just love this blush and I need to buy this kind of blush in more colors, but I'm just putting that on my cheeks to dust more color and kind of give me a sun-kissed look. Then I'm taking the Fire Crystal Lightning Dust and Fire Crystal Duo from Fenty, but I only used Fire Crystal. This was, I think, the cheapest out of all my highlighters. I think this runs from like $16 to $20 or in the 20s, versus my MAC highlighters are like in the 30s, like almost $30. So I tried to pick my cheapest option I could find in my little makeup collection. So yes, I'm trying. Once I'm like have money, like I mean I do have money to spend, but I'm just trying to save my money. I plan on doing a drugstore makeup tutorial, like a full face for you guys, because I really need to owe to you, because I got a lot of people liking that I did the drugstore makeup makeup, and people want me to do more drugstore looks. So once I'm not saving money as much right now, I will definitely do a drugstore makeup tutorial full face. But now I'm taking MAC's lip pencil in Soar and putting that on my lips. Just lining my lips with Soar, my favorite lip liner and lipstick combo. And then I'm taking MAC's lipstick in Mer, however you want to say it. I don't know. It's M-E-H-R. I'm putting that on my lips, and that is the final looks, and I hope you guys enjoyed this.
So that was my
back to school, how to slay your first day makeup look or slay your pictures so you're looking all fresh and people will be turning heads. Again, disclaimer, you guys don't have to wear all of this. I'm not saying you have to wear all of this to look pretty. Like, y'all look pretty naturally. And you guys could adjust this to however much you want or however little you want. This is just like a perfect neutral look. I know people are into wing eyeliner nowadays, so that's why I did the wing eyeliner. I'm sorry that I'm wearing like a full face. I don't recommend wearing a full face to school, but if that's you, girl, you can go ahead and do it. Do you. Do what you feel comfortable doing. But anyways, guys, I love you guys so much, and thank you so much for watching. Again, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, turn on the notification bell to get notified every time I post a video here on YouTube. And go follow my beauty Instagram at _Hailey'sBeauty_. And I love you guys so much, and thanks for watching. I love you guys. Bye.